going to draw Zoey in K-pop Demon Hunters. Get your black pen and then let's start off with the eyes. Go a curve like that but then flick at the end. And then like this. And draw a circle in the eye and a little circle for the lighting and a bigger circle in the middle for her eye. Then for her lash, you can go like this. And then after, you can draw 3 lashes at the bottom. And then, not very far away, draw a curve up and then lash. And like this. You can draw her closing her eye like that. I'm going to draw her eye open. And draw a circle in here. Lighting. The eye in the middle. And 3 lashes. After, draw her smile like this. You can draw a smile uneven like this. After, draw these 2 dots and here for her chin, going down to make a cheek, and then now we made her chin and the other side of the cheek and here. Go a bit up and then draw the fringe that she has. Draw these curves for the front hair and then finish the forehead. After, draw the ear and just circle here for her earrings. And then from her ears, go up like this and the other bit up. Then to draw her pigtails, draw a wiggly line for one of her pigtails and another wiggly line for her other pigtail. Draw her neck and her collar. Then draw her shoulders and the shoulder pads. 1, 2, 3 circles. Keep on going down and then cut it with a curve. Keep on going down and then cut it with a curve as well. Then we are drawing Zoey's skirt. There's some splits in her skirt, so I'm drawing these splits in her skirt. After, draw her hands like this and her other hand the same. And then draw her legs here, cut, then draw her boots here. Like this, curve and then go up to crossbows for some style on her boots. Same on the other side, but this time facing this way, so like this. Curve up and then crossbows again. Well done, you finished sketching Zoey. If you want, you can do coloring. for her makeup, you can get purple and then draw it on the circle of her eyes and then put it down. Get the peach and then color in her skin. After, get your yellow and then color in her golden earrings. And color in her suit as well. And you can draw these lines and draw these two lines, 1, 2, 2, like this. Black pen, if you want to, you can draw a diamond like this. And then get your blue pen, color in the diamond. Get your black pen and then color in Zoey's hair. Then get your color pen, get to black, and then color in the color of her eyes, black. Well done, you finished Zoey. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.